Tech. I'm Kanish. You're watching KB Tech, friends. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how to make a website, HTML website in weblab in code.org. So just open code.org and sign in and come to your dashboard. So scroll down. You get start a new project, give view full list, and let's give weblab. Click on weblab over here. So we have made a website even in even in 3 schools. So you could just check it in the I button I've given now. So now let us so come to index.html. So the style CSS. Now we'll be seeing index.html. If you want a style.cc just comment down in the description. Okay, friends. So now what you're going to do is actually erase it. Okay, so open a new tab and type 3 schools. Yep, and 3 schools is links down in the description. Just click and then click and then just join it. So here there's the starting. Don't do anything, just copy which is in the thing. So I've given this also down in the description. Just copy it from the description. Yeah, now this, could you see this? They're showing that this is a paragraph, this is a heading, this is a paragraph. Okay, so now what you're going to do is erase this and erase this dot if you want. So H1 in between I'm going to type hey and hello. Okay, so I've put caps lock so it comes in capital letters. So welcome here. Now again, if you want one more heading, just go and type, put brackets, put H2 because you have already put a heading. So this is H2 and then boom bap and type whatever you want. So I'm going to type this is a website by a name. You have to write it. This is a website. It's a website made by your name. So this is good. So again give refresh and save over here. So the last over here, just put one more bracket again and give H2 and then cover it off. Boom bad. You see that? So whenever you click on something, it just shows over there. So now let us see how to insert an image. Inserting an image is easy while giving add image over here. So we can add an image and set the size. Open 3 schools and give those friends, give learn HTML. So it enters. So enter, you have introduction, basic, editors. So go to editors. You can find everything in editors. So now basics, you have basics of everything. So blah 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 of basics. So it will be given. This is the heading. Do you understand? So could you see? So go to elements, friends. Elements, there will be some elements like links, like that. So this is HTML CSS. So it just takes time. So yep, do you see this? My first paragraph, these are also an element. So these are the elements of HTML, which is nothing else but elements contents are my first heading, my first paragraph. That is H1P and BR. BR is nothing else but it's for space. Control C, just have a look what I'm doing. So I want a space from hey and hello. Okay, so there, after that hey and hello, give enter and give control V. So BR. Okay, refresh and save. You see that there's some space given over here more than before. So let me keep this small or bigger, friends. So friends, now you can take whatever you want over here. Attributes, settings, paragraph styles, formattings, colors also you can, friends. You didn't know that. So friends, like I did not put anything. So this is the basics, friends. So style CSS you want, just comment down. If 2 or more people comment, I'll soon make a video. So you can add more and more by even adding an image over here. The background. So it's just loading. So you can put everything and then you can just save it off. So this is the, so yeah friends, we're done with it.